Today we want to talk to you about supervision in the early learning environment. As an early learning educator, it's essential that you maintain a high level of supervision at all times throughout the day. Planning ways to do this in a variety of situations is key to ensuring each child is protected. At all times, reasonable precautions and adequate supervision ensure children are protected from harm and hazard. How do we plan to ensure that each child is protected?
Well, working together as a team is one of the elements that ensures high level of supervision is maintained at all times. The handover technique is something that teams need to practice on a daily basis. This simple technique, when used as an embedded practice, will reduce the risk to children significantly.
Hey Caitlin, I'm just going to go in and get a broom for 2 minutes. I'll be back soon.
Okay, Mandy, no problem. How many children do you have?
I've got 10 kindy children out here with me, and Sarah's got 4 inside with her.
Okay, Mandy, no problems. Hey, Rachel, Mandy's going to get a broom. I'm just going to stand over here so I can see all parts of the yard.
Hey Caitlin, I'm back now so I can watch this part of the yard.
Thank you.
As well as working as a team and using the handover technique during spontaneous times, it's also essential that when one educator is taking over from another educator, that the handover technique is used as an embedded practice.
Okay, Mandy, you're on lunch now. How many kids do you have today?
Oh, I've got 7 on the roll today. Ralph is in today though. He's got asthma, so he's okay today though. But his puff is in the cupboard in the bathroom. And also I've got Jane's in today as well. She has anaphylaxis to peanuts. Her EpiPen's in the cupboard in the bathroom. Okay. And Tom's fallen asleep on the cushion. He's been asleep for about 20 minutes. I'm a little concerned about him today though, because it's unusual that he's fallen asleep. So I was just about to take his temperature. So if you could do that.
No problem.
Although these steps may seem common sense, at busy times they can be missed. Another common sense supervision aspect that is often overlooked is always positioning yourself so that you can see as much of the playground area as possible. An educator can be doing one of 3 things in the environment. I sometimes refer to these things as the golden 3. 1, actively engaging in play with children. 2, actively resetting an environment. Or 3, actively documenting. All of these things can be done whilst actively supervising. So the 2 key aspects to ensuring high levels of supervision are 1, the handover technique, and 2, positioning in the care environment. So high levels of supervision are important, especially at times where there are transitions or excursions. Using the 2 key aspects of the handover technique, including head counts and information transfer, and positioning in the care environment, remember the golden 3. As a team, work together to ensure the highest quality of supervision is maintained, and this will develop happy, healthy learners.